Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to save your photo book project so you can come back and work on it later. While you're working on your photo book, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save Project button. Go ahead and click it. Your project is now saved. You can give your project a name. Pick something descriptive like Summer Vacation 2025, so it's easy to find later if you're working on more than one project. When you log back in, click on your email address in the top right-hand corner. You'll see all your saved projects listed appear on the left-hand side, including the one you just created. Just click on Continue Editing to open it back up and carry on with your project. Don't forget, your work is only saved once you click that Save Project icon in the bottom right. If you're making lots of changes, it's a good idea to save regularly. And that's it. Now you know how to save your project and pick up right where you left off.